In this video, I will show how to set commissions and cap the deal. Once a deal has been capped, no changes are allowed. Only members of the management group under security will be allowed to cap a deal, so there's no need to worry about anyone changing information that isn't authorized. From the main menu, I'll select Finalize Deal. I'll continue with Mr. and Mrs. Doe from the previous videos. I'll filter their deal. Then I'll select F5 Bank Processing Center. You can quickly tab through to review all aspects of the deal here. On the Vehicle tab, you can see the vehicle cost information here. By clicking on Edit Vehicle Data, I can see that the Class PDI for this vehicle has not been completed over in our service department yet because there's no service order number here. I'll contact my service department and ensure that gets taken care of. Now let's return to the Bank Processing Center. Now I'll jump over here and select Cap Deal. Here in the lower section, we can see that the commission for the sales manager and salesperson has already been calculated for us using a particular formula. This formula is set up as a default. To see how this is done, let's take a quick peek behind the scenes. Using the Add-ins toolbar above, we'll select Admin, Preferences, Defaults. Then we'll select Commission Basis Formula for Manager. And you can see there are a few different formulas to choose from. You can also set up a different formula for your salesperson. Now I'll show you where commission percentages are set for each employee. I'll open my F&I employee's record by clicking on this magnifying glass to the right of her name. I'll select the Additional Info tab, and here you can see Tina's commission percentages. If this were a salesperson, in most cases, there would only be a percentage entered under the front end field. I'll select Update Cost Profit, and now we've locked in the cost of the vehicle, which is important because the cost determines how these commissions are calculated. You could add a spiff if you choose by entering the amount here. Be aware that you can overwrite these amounts simply by typing in the fields. If there were more than one salesperson, the commissions would have automatically been divided for you and the salesperson's name would appear here. Once all commissions have been entered accurately, I'll come over to the right here and select Cap for each item. I'll then go to the top here and select Cap Deal. I receive a message telling me I'm missing the county information under the Buyers tab. I'll select Cancel so I can fix that. I'll go back to the Buyers tab, and I'll notice that this field here that's outlined in red is missing the information. That's why we got that message over there. I'll enter the county. I'll go back over to the Cap Deal and select Cap Deal again. You'll notice the status in the upper right has changed to capped. You can then print a commission voucher for your salesperson here. Your sales manager, as well as your F&I manager, will see a full recap analysis report, which shows their personal commissions at the bottom. Or I could select Print All, and all commission vouchers for all employees would print. I also have the option of viewing and/or printing a finalized in and out report, which shows the total cost in, the total out cost, as well as net profit. And that's it. That's how you finalize and cap a deal without the need of spreadsheets or Excel. In our next video, Sales Reports, I'll show you how to view, print, and customize reports to suit your personal needs.